Hello world, this is GoodBoy02 talking to you from the USA. Anyway, today you will witness the birth of the Windows XP machine. Anyway, here is the install disk we're going to be using. This is a Dell computer, so it should work. And I also think it's patched so we don't have to enter a product key. Anyway, the first thing I'm going to do is turn this on and hit F12 so I can select boot devices later. Now it's going to freeze up here until I push F1, so I'll go ahead and insert that CD. There we go, and close the drive, and push F1. I'll go ahead and push onboard CD-ROM. Now it's going to boot up. Let's push any key like the space bar. And here we go. There's the computer right there, spinning the disk. There's Windows setup. Let me make sure this monitor is the correct size. It is, so we're going to go ahead and exit that. Anyway, here's all the options we can do, and now it's going to load all the files. It shouldn't take long. Well, this is a real computer, so it might take a little bit longer than VMs like I'm used to. Anyway, I'll tell you a little bit about this computer. I got this computer from a friend of mine, and he got it and it was completely blank, so he put Ubuntu on this, and it's still there. And I'm going to try and erase that. Let's hope I select the correct partition. This computer was put into two partitions. One was the main partition, the other the recovery partition, and both of which were completely erased. And I don't know which partition my friend installed Ubuntu on. He told me it was, you know, the, bigger one. I guess we'll have to see. Setup is starting Windows. Good. Finally. Not saying that took forever. It didn't. Welcome to Windows XP Setup. This portion of setup prepares Microsoft Windows XP to run on your computer. To set up Windows XP now, press Enter. We'll go ahead and do that. Please wait. Let's do that. It's probably detecting our partitions right now. This might take a while. what the disk just stopped. And I don't know why. It just started spinning again. It wants us to read the EULA. I'm just going to push F8. And we'll choose partition 1. Okay, we have to delete the partitions. Let's push D. Enter. Let's push L to delete it. Now we have unpartitioned space, so let's format it using the NTFS file system, not quick. So Ubuntu is gone. And this format might take a while. Should I pause the video here? You know what, I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, this computer is about to reboot. Let's hit enter to reboot it. Done. Now it's rebooting. There's the Dell logo. I'm gonna hit F1 to continue. Windows XP, great. We've done it. Well, almost. Now we have to go through this portion of setup here. An exciting new look. I'm not going to read all these slides, especially since I'm looking at this through an iPad screen, not actually looking at the system. Let's see if the mouse works. It does. Great. And I can see Ubuntu is gone because it didn't ask for a, to pick which operating system we wanted. This is great. Anyway, I'd like to tell you guys about an exciting experience I had today. Today I met some ham radio guys. And I even got to broadcast a message from their computers. That was pretty exciting. Maybe later I'll show you the business card they gave me. Well, not really a business card, just a list of things I need to buy if I want to send ham radio messages. But that was a pretty exciting experience. Setup will be complete in approximately 39 minutes. You guys aren't going to be seeing all that. Let's see how long it takes to get to the to some of the other screens, you know. Where I actually have to type my name and stuff. Anyway, I am at a loss for words right now. What to talk about. It's hard to come up with commentary. You guys can read these slides if you want. They're pretty easy to read. Hourglass. It's great. Nope. Not what I was thinking. Come on. Does this thing know I'm trying to record a YouTube video? An hourglass is showing frequently. You guys can hear the sound of the computer. Did you see that CD icon? That was pretty unusual. It should know there's a CD in there. And the clock has not changed. Let's take a look at the computer and see if the hard drive light is on. There it is. Oh, installing devices. That bar wasn't there before. Let's see how long that takes. Come on, devices, install already. Finally. I am in the US, so let's go ahead and click next. Type your name and organization. Okay. Go ahead and type two. Good Boy 02, who works for Good Boy 02, who works for YouTube. And that looks good to me, so we'll just push next. And that is not the current date and time. Let me fix that. Okay, it's January 1st, 2015. Well, 2003. Okay, we'll just leave it at that for now. But I am going to select my time zone. It is 2:27. It is really January. Yeah. It's really. Today it's really January. Let me see what day it is. 28th. But who cares? We'll go ahead and push next. And now installing the network. copying files. There's no network in here. Let's see how long this copying files takes. You know, I'm going to pause the video till the next screen. And the machine has just rebooted. We have successfully installed Windows XP. I hope. Let's go ahead and strike F1. First of all, clean off the camera. Hope if it gets into focus. Sorry about the bad focus. But who cares? We've installed Windows XP. Here's the final portion of the setup coming up now. Okay. Go ahead and click on OK. Let's go ahead and push OK. Sorry about this. This is horrible resolution. And there we have it. Windows XP. Welcome to Microsoft Windows. Let's go ahead and click on Next. Should we? No, because Windows XP is no longer supported, so not now. Who will use this computer? I'm just going to go ahead and type. Owner. And press Next. Done. Welcome. We've done it! Windows XP is installed. Coming up next, Office for the Windows XP machine. Well, actually, let me show you guys a brief showing of the tour of Windows XP. We'll go ahead and play the... You know what, we're not going to do that. Let's go ahead and restart the computer. To install our new devices. Go ahead and press F1. There we have it. Windows XP is installed. I'm just so proud of myself right now. Not meaning to be narcissistic. Well, please like and subscribe. See you around.